Oh, I had one. Something there took off my cork. First bite. Oh, got him. Goo. Wow. A goo. There we go. Alright guys, well, welcome to the video. Just like you guys just saw, I had a bite on this cork and dropped it back down there to see if whatever I missed, go grab it. This is brackish water fishing for you right here. Southeast Texas special along the coast down here. You catch redfish, and then also you catch old freshwater fish. But we're out here trying to have some fun here, see if we can catch a couple big reds for our upcoming tournament. But that's not the one we looked for though. Right here, coming down me. Coming down right here. Oh shit. Oh, got him. Got him. All right. There he is. Oh yeah. Alright guys, hooked up here into our first redfish in the new area. Looks like a decent one. I saw him blowing up on some up here and I threw this oh, another one over there too. Let's see if I can kind of sit here without spooking him. This is where a power pole would really come in handy. I threw that golden child deadly dully at him on a flutter hook and he absolutely crushed it. Come on buddy, it's a good one. Look at all the shrimp. Oh, that's a solid one. Yes sir, that's a term of redfish for you right there. Nice. Man, that's another, there's some more in here too. That's a solid one. That's a solid one. Oh, it came off? Oh, it just came off. Nice. That's a solid fish. Take that any tournament day. 27 KSS fish. Wow. All right guys, check that out. Barely 27. Barely 27. Let's see how much he weighs. All right guys, beautiful 8-pound redfish, 26 almost, I mean actually 27 inches. Beautiful first fish. We're gonna let him go. Let's get him back. See, there's a couple more in here too we can try to pull out. Pretty fish. Beautiful. All right, that dandy Don getting done. Oh, damn it. Oh, he's right there, he's right here. He's right here, he's right here. Yes, 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 come on. Come on, come on. Where'd he go, where'd he go, where'd he go? There you are. Oh, dang it, he was sitting up here. Look at him. There was two of them, look, pushing a wake right there. Dang, boat spooked him. Ah, oh, god dang it. he is. Awesome. Put the stick out, pull down. Keep it tight. Doesn't feel like a, oh, he's all right. He's just sitting in mud right now. Look at that, guys. That's a good one. Oh, another one up there too. Oh, this one. Oh, multi-spotter. Beautiful redfish. Okay. Come on, big buddy. Oh man, that is a... Guys, tournament redfish. That's a redfish for you right there. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Look at that redfish. That's a beautiful redfish in shallow water. He's got a zombie eye too. Let's see if I can hold him up for you. I'm dropping him. Right in the net. Oh, there's another one up here too. Okay. Look at this, guys. See his eye? Look how crazy that looks. He's about an 8-pounder. There's another one up here too, so we're gonna weigh him and see how big he is. About 8.5. Beautiful redfish right there. Awesome. All right, big buddy. Thank you so much. You go back and make some babies now. Oh, that's so beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Oh, look at him just crawling right there. That's awesome. Got him. Got him, got him, got him. Get out of there, get out of there. Yes. Oh my God. Nice redfish. Oh man, that's a big one. He was sitting right up in those, that's a bull. That is 100% a bull. Look at him, guys. He was sitting up in those pylons. I threw this cork in there. He's kind of jumped on it. Oh, oh no. No. Oh, he broke me off. Dang it, that was a big one. Almost had him in the net too. Shoot, it happened. My knot broke. Dang it. Well guys, that was our limit right there. So we caught 3 redfish in here. That's pretty darn good. Right now I'm just kind of exploring and looking around, but that was under a 4 horseman cork. Had a gulp underneath it. It was weird because I saw him kind of hit it at first and I was looking at it and then he completely took it. So that was a bull. We're gonna let him go anyway. So that's awesome. Oh my God. Oh my God, he hit the cork. Come on, come get it, come get it, come get it. Guys, did you see that? He hit the doggone cork. Oh, now he's not gonna get the bait. Oh, come on. Dude hit the cork. Oh God. You get it? No, he didn't get it. No. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Dang it.